Hello friends, this is class responsibility collaborator CRC modeling. In the class responsibility collaborator, using this technique, classes required by the system are identified. Their responsibilities are defined and their collaborations are identified. Ambler has defined CRC modeling as CRC model is a collection of standard index cards. This card is divided into 3 sections. First section contains name of the class, type of the class, characteristics of the class. Second section contains it describes at the left side and the third section is described at the right side. This is class responsibilities. A class may also include its responsibilities in a class diagram. A responsibility is a contract or obligation of a class to perform a particular service. This is a diagram where smoke alarm responsibilities sound alert and notify guard station when smoke is detected, indicate battery state. This is the structure of CRC index card where class name, class type, characteristics, responsibilities and collaborations. It is a structure. Friends, class for selecting particular entity as a class, following guidelines can be used. Information retaining, second common attributes, third common operations, fourth multiple attributes, fifth essential requirements. First one is information retaining. In that, some objects have potential of retaining the information. This information can be used by the system for defining the functionalities. Hence, chosen objects must contain some information. Second is common attributes. Every object defines some set of attributes. These can be variables or functions. Some member variables are common to all the objects. Selection of object can be done based on such a common characteristics of the system. Third is a common operations. In that, every object defines some set of attributes. These can be variables or functions. Some member functions are common to all the objects. Selection of object can be done based on such a common characteristics of the system. Fourth one is multiple attributes, where object that can contain multiple attributes can retain more information about the system. Such objects can provide useful service to the system, that is, functions or variables. Fifth one is essential requirements. In that, external entities may produce or consume some kind of information. These entities can act as an object, where selection of such entities as an object helps to perform various operations that are required for getting solution of the problem defined by the system. Thank you.